I got a new thing. And if I look sweaty and it sounds like I'm out of breath, it's because I just ran here from work. So, yeah. So, the first one and second one.
A little bit tired of sinking, there's water in my boat. I'm barely breathing, trying to stay afloat. I got these quick.
First one is another Relentless shirt. Because I was thinking about buying the Let Him Burn shirt, but my very religious family would kick me out. So I got this one instead. It's actually not that bad, because like I tell myself I'm never gonna buy shirts with like people on it, but like this is like my one exception, because this shit's actually kind of cool. So yeah, and this is an XL. And the second one. And Palaye Royale with the Bastards album. I kept trying to buy this shirt, but they didn't have my size, and then they restocked for I think double XL. Yeah, and then this is double XL, and I bought the last one. So yeah, I'm gonna try to put links in the description if you want to buy either of these shirts. So yeah, bye.
This world is broken, so